Hello and welcome to Just One Watch. On this program, we like to bring you budget watches and give you honest reviews on them. Now, this watch here I have today, I'm not sure what it is, so let's get it opened and have a look. Okay, so you put your what's this in here? There you go, instructions. Yeah, very good. Don't know if that's necessary, but there you go. And the watch in your manila envelope. Yeah, just plain, simple envelope. Bit of bubble wrap and the watch in plastic folder. This is quite typical, I would suggest, for budget watches. Usually if you want to buy it with a box, the box will be extra. So right away, I have no idea what this is. I don't recall ordering this. This has been sitting around, I'll be honest, it's been sitting around for a few months. And there we have it. So let's have a look. What do we have? SAS. I have no idea what that is. There you go. So I must have bought this on a whim at some point. It's mechanical, by the looks of it. Yeah, it's large, I would say that. Oh, it's got a display case back as well. It looks yeah, I can't quite read that. Water resistant, it says on the glass. Stainless. I presume it just means the back is stainless. There's a bit of weight to it, but as you'd expect from a mechanical watch. It's an unusual design. Swiss, what does that say? Shield armour, Swiss or something? Can't really make that out. My eyesight's not what it used to be. Yeah. Shield or something, there you go. Anyway, SAS. I'll find out what that says in the lower. Yeah, I'm going to get better glasses on. Anyway, let's see if it works, because I'm not seeing anything. Okay, that's movement, yeah. So it feels ropey at best. Let's get it working. Right away I can see it working. So it does work. So I'm presuming this isn't automatic. I'm presuming it is just mechanical. We will find that out in time, no doubt. But it didn't move at all when I was moving it around there. It was only when I wound it. So here for winding. And yeah, let's get some measurements on it, because it is quite chunky to look at. So we've got, okay, 43.4, yeah, wide, lug to lug. Alright, lug to lug. It's actually not as big as I thought it was. There you go, lug to lug. I'm making about 48.5, yeah, lug to lug, and it is quite thick. I would suggest thickness, there you go, 13.7, yeah. So I mean, it's quite a big watch. There's a good heft to it. The strap is rubber. There's no markings on the strap, nothing at all. Very plain, no marking on the clasp. The width of the strap is 21. Zero that again. Here we are. 21 and a half. Yeah, so probably 22. I'll suggest. Yeah, 21.8. Yeah, so 22 strap. It's completely straight strap, so there's no tapering on it. The finishing, see the dial itself, it's unusual. Yeah, it's unusual, sort of semi-skeleton style with a lot of marking and detail around the face and on the indices. There's no loom or anything on this watch, you can see that. But I need to do a little bit of research and look back at what I ordered. I don't even know how much it cost me. Oh yeah, wait a minute, unit price, I think that says 300 on here. Unit price, I think, let me get it to focus, yeah, so 332 baht, which is like $10. So, $10 for a mechanical watch with an unusual design, shall we say. But the finishing on it's quite good. Obviously this will be an alloy case. For that money, this will be an alloy case. Display back on it. Which is, I mean, for that kind of money. It appears to be a screw-on back. I don't see any. On some of these watches with back, it'll appear to be a screw-on back, but then you look at it and there'll be a little slot under here for just prying it off. It'll just be a snap-on, but that doesn't appear to have anything like that, so I presume it's a proper screw-on back. So I mean, there will be some water resistance, you would think. But again, I wouldn't take it any more than wash my hands. And there we have it. So it's unusual looking, but it's nice enough if that's your style. If you like skeleton type watches. So we'll get it on wrist and we'll see what it looks like on wrist. Okay guys, so here we have the watch on wrist. I've read that SAS, it says Shield Anchor Shark. So news to me, but there you go. It's actually, it feels quite nice on wrist, and it looks quite nice on wrist. I've got a 6 3/4 inch wrist, and as you can see, it's not too big. The strap is very comfortable indeed, being fully rubber. And yeah, I mean, there's a lot of glare. You can see I've got a lot of sunlight coming through the window there. There's a lot of glare, so there'll be no anti-reflective coating or anything on it. But it's a nice looking watch. Actually, when I first took out the package, I wasn't sure of it, but now I would say it's actually quite nice. Yeah, just flat glass. Yeah, I'll keep wearing it. We'll see how it goes. But for me, it's a nice looking watch, and for $10, you're getting a mechanical watch, so something you can have to keep your eye on and wind up daily. With a unique design, something to talk about, a talking point, I suggest. So yeah, there we go guys. I hope you enjoyed the video of my mystery SAS watch. If you did like the video, please subscribe, please hit the like button, and thank you for watching.